All right, this is Brian Stevens with eXp Realty. I'm going to shoot 3535 North Maryland Drive. This is in Plant City, Florida. This is going to be a longer walkthrough video. I've got lawnmowers out here. They're just starting to mow. Sorry about the extra noise. This is a really nice neighborhood. This is a Lennar home. They've got some D.R. Horton homes here. It's a great neighborhood. And I just want to show you this house, and again, a more detailed view, so you can kind of see what this home has to offer. Super nice family selling this home. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, plus an office downstairs. And it sits on a small lake. So when you first walk in, I want you to get an idea of the openness of it. It's got ceramic tile flooring. Let's swing around to the left. Office. Got a nice rug here with some flooring. Okay, half bath when you first come in. So this is your downstairs, your guest bath. Got some linen closets here. We're not going to open up all the closets. So let's take a look at the main living area, which you can see plenty of natural light here. Swinging around to the dining room, or I should say the dining area. Right off the kitchen, so enjoy your family meals here while you're overlooking the huge backyard and the small body of water right in back of you. So let's check out this kitchen. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space. It's got granite countertops. There is a closet pantry. And check out this island here. It's got a really nice fridge, and then the dishwasher. Of course, you can sit sink and overlook this right here, and built-in microwave range. This island even has some storage this way. Now, usually we don't show garages, but I do want to show you this garage because everybody always needs storage. This, let me turn the light on. This is a 3-car garage. Okay, so it's really nice size, and they've added some additional shelving up here. And it's got the water heater, irrigation system. But I did want to show you the spaciousness of that garage. So let's head over this way. Again, your backyard. We give you a little bit of a better shot of this so you can see it. There's the dual AC, one for upstairs, one for downstairs. You can see it goes all the way down there. Nice and quiet out here. Great neighborhood, close to Interstate 4. Wonderful location, lots of new builds. So if you need to jump to Tampa, get on I-4 to go to Orlando, this is a great neighborhood. They've got some nice amenities here also. All right. So we're gonna head upstairs. It's all carpeting up here, which is great. All right, so when you first come up, you're gonna see big Florida room. Good for hanging out, sitting down, relaxing, watching TV, and again, you're overlooking the water. So let's take a look at the rest of the house. All right, as we move on here, this is the master bedroom is directly ahead of us, and then there's 3 bedrooms, 1 bath down this hallway. And this is where we just came up. So it's always nice to have your laundry upstairs. They are including this really nice washer dryer. Again, it's got ceramic tile flooring, a little bit of space here. Samsung. This is the large linen closet. Check out this master bedroom. Really nice size. Plenty of room. Double windows. The master bathroom is open, spacious. You can see the separate vanities. Some nice deep drawers here, ceramic tile flooring. Okay, there is the toilet room is in there. And there is a linen closet behind here. It's got a shower. And then I want you to see this closet with its own window. Why not? So you don't even really need the light on. If you don't want it, you can still see. Okay, but I turn the light on just to give you ultimate lighting. Take this out. Plenty of space. So this is the master suite. Let's go check out the kids' bedrooms. Come in this way. Very well decorated, good size rooms. A little bit of storage here in this closet. Take a look at these rooms. Nice size bedrooms. Got the closet around here. And somebody likes Buc-ee's. This is bonus material right here, you guys. It's bonus material. Look at that. If you haven't been to Buc-ee's, do yourself a favor. Go check it out. It's like a mini Publix. That's a compliment, by the way. Okay, so I love this room with the double windows, the way it's set up. It's really nice. They've got the tasteful curtains here. And then the closet area. Go upstairs for the kiddos. You've got the bathroom with double sinks. Tub shower combination. There's a linen closet here. The toilet obviously is right here. And then a tub shower combination. So this home offers a lot of square footage. Great family home. If you'd like more information on it, I would love to show it to you. Answer all your questions. As always, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Hey, if you enjoy videos like this, if you do me a favor, if you would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, that would be amazing. That way, whenever I drop more walkthrough videos, you can get notified.